Hey nerd fighters, John Green here. Today we're diving into the world of coding, but not just any coding. We're talking about coding with the help of artificial intelligence. It sounds like something out of science fiction, right? But it's real, and it's changing the game for developers everywhere. Imagine a world where writing code is faster, easier, and less prone to errors. That's the promise of AI code assistance. And the best part? This technology is still in its early stages, which means the future of coding is looking pretty darn exciting. So, what exactly are these AI code assistants? Well, let's dive into it. In simple terms, they're like super smart coding buddies. Imagine having a colleague who never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always ready to help you with your coding tasks. They use something called large language models, or LLMs, which are trained on massive amounts of code. These models are like the brain of the AI, filled with knowledge from countless coding examples. Think of it like this. Imagine feeding a computer every single book ever written about coding. It's like having a library of coding knowledge at your fingertips, but even better because the AI can understand and process all that information in real time. That's essentially what LLMs are trained on. They digest all this information and learn patterns, best practices, and even common mistakes. This allows AI code assistants to understand code, predict what you're trying to do, and even write code for you. They can suggest entire blocks of code, help you complete functions, and even refactor your code to make it cleaner and more efficient. They can also help you debug your code, find errors, and make your code more efficient. Imagine having a second pair of eyes that can instantly spot issues and suggest fixes. And the really cool part? They integrate directly into the software developers use every day, like Visual Studio Code. This means you can get all these benefits without having to learn a new tool or change your workflow. So you don't need any fancy new tools to start using them. Just install the AI assistant into your existing development environment, and you're good to go. It's like upgrading your current tools with superpowers, making your coding experience smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Now you might be wondering, who are the big players in this AI coding revolution? The landscape of AI in coding is vast and ever-changing, with new entrants and innovations emerging almost daily. However, some companies have established themselves as front-runners, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and setting the pace for the industry. Well, there are quite a few companies jumping on board, but some of the biggest names include Amazon Web Services. Amazon is known for its cloud computing power, so it's no surprise they're offering AI coding tools. AWS has been a game-changer in the tech world, providing scalable and reliable cloud solutions. Their AI tools are designed to integrate seamlessly with their existing services, making it easier for developers to harness the power of artificial intelligence without having to leave the AWS ecosystem. GitHub. As the go-to platform for code sharing and collaboration, GitHub is naturally integrating AI into its platform. With millions of developers relying on GitHub for version control and collaboration, the addition of AI tools is a significant enhancement. These tools can help automate repetitive tasks, suggest code improvements, and even assist in debugging, making the development process more efficient and less error-prone. IBM Watson X Code Assistant. IBM has been a leader in AI for years, and their Watson X Code Assistant is making waves in the developer community. IBM's deep expertise in AI and machine learning has culminated in a tool that can understand and generate code, providing developers with intelligent suggestions and automating complex coding tasks. This not only speeds up development but also helps in maintaining high code quality. These are just a few examples, and the market is constantly evolving. New startups and established tech giants alike are continuously innovating, bringing fresh ideas and powerful tools to the table. The competition among these companies drives rapid advancements, ensuring that developers have access to the latest and most effective AI technologies. But one thing's for sure, the competition is heating up, which means better and more powerful tools for developers. As these companies vie for dominance, developers stand to benefit from the cutting-edge tools and resources being developed. The future of AI in coding looks incredibly promising, with endless possibilities for innovation and improvement. Okay, so we've talked about what AI code assistants are and who's making them. But the real question is, how are they actually changing the game for developers? One of the biggest impacts is on productivity. Imagine being able to write code faster and with fewer errors. That's what AI code assistants can do. They can automate repetitive tasks, like writing boilerplate code, which frees up developers to focus on the more creative and challenging aspects of their work. In fact, some studies show that developers using AI code assistants can be up to 36% more productive. That's a significant increase in efficiency. Section 5. Writing better code with AI. But it's not just about speed. AI code assistants can also help developers write better code. How? Well, they can analyze your code in real time and provide suggestions for improvement. They can also help you catch errors early on, which can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. Think of it like having a coding expert looking over your shoulder, constantly providing feedback and guidance. This leads to higher quality software that is more reliable, efficient, and easier to maintain. Section 6. AI-powered teamwork. Another area where AI code assistants are making a big impact is in collaboration. Coding is often a team effort, and AI can help teams work together more effectively. For example, AI code assistants can provide real-time feedback on code changes, which can help teams avoid merge conflicts and ensure everyone is on the same page. They can also help onboard new team members by providing them with the context and information they need to get up to speed quickly. In a world where remote work is becoming increasingly common, AI-powered collaboration tools are more important than ever. Section 7. A happier developer is a better developer. Now, all of this sounds great for businesses, right? Increased productivity, better code, improved collaboration. But what about the developers themselves? Well, it turns out that AI code assistants are making developers happier too. By automating tedious tasks and providing helpful suggestions, AI code assistants are freeing up developers to focus on the more creative and rewarding aspects of their work. This leads to increased job satisfaction and a greater sense of accomplishment. And happier developers are more likely to stay in their jobs, which is good news for everyone. Section 8. The future of AI in coding. So what does the future hold for AI in coding? This is a question that has intrigued many in the tech industry and beyond. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the possibilities seem endless. Well, it's clear that this technology is here to stay. AI has already made significant strides in various fields, and coding is no exception. From automating mundane tasks to providing intelligent code suggestions, AI is transforming the way developers work. In fact, it's only going to become more powerful and sophisticated in the years to come. Imagine AI systems that can not only understand the context of the code, but also predict potential bugs and offer solutions in real time. We can expect to see even more advanced AI code assistants that can understand complex code bases, optimize performance, and even suggest architectural improvements. These tools will become indispensable for developers, helping them to focus on more creative and complex aspects of their projects, generate entire applications from scratch, and do so with a level of efficiency and accuracy that was previously unimaginable. This could revolutionize the software development lifecycle, making it faster and more efficient, and even write code in multiple programming languages. This multilingual capability will be particularly useful in a globalized world where different projects require different coding languages. Some experts believe that AI could eventually democratize coding, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical background. This could open up new opportunities for people from all walks of life to engage in software development, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical background. Imagine artists, writers, and other creative professionals being able to bring their ideas to life through code, without needing to learn the intricacies of programming languages. Imagine a world where anyone can bring their ideas to life through code, even if they've never written a line of code before. This could lead to a surge in innovation and creativity, as more people are able to contribute to the tech landscape, even if they've never written a line of code before. The potential for educational applications is also immense, with AI-powered tools helping to teach coding in a more intuitive and engaging way. Of course, there are also challenges and concerns that need to be addressed, such as ensuring the security and reliability of AI-generated code. As AI becomes more integrated into the coding process, it's crucial to develop robust frameworks for testing and validation, such as ensuring the security and reliability of AI-generated code. This includes safeguarding against potential vulnerabilities and ensuring that the code adheres to best practices and industry standards, and addressing the potential impact on the job market. While AI has the potential to create new job opportunities, it could also lead to the displacement of certain roles. It's important to consider how we can reskill and upskill the workforce to adapt to these changes. As we move forward, ethical considerations will also play a crucial role in the development and deployment of AI in coding. Ensuring that AI is used responsibly and transparently will be key to gaining public trust and maximizing its benefits. The future of AI in coding is undoubtedly exciting, filled with possibilities that could reshape the tech industry and beyond. As we navigate this new frontier, it's essential to balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring that the benefits of AI are accessible to all. Section 9. The AI revolution is here. The world of software development is undergoing a revolution, and AI is at the heart of it. AI code assistants are already having a profound impact on the way software is developed, making it faster, easier, and more accessible. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative applications in the years to come. So, buckle up, nerd fighters, because the future of coding is going to be one wild ride.